welcome back to my channel. My name is Aixa, and today we are going to be opening up Septemer's BoxyCharm. Septemer's BoxyCharm. So we are opening up the $25 box and the $35 box, which is the premium and the basic box. We're not going to try them on today, unfortunately. It's just been too much going on that I'm just so exhausted, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I will be doing makeup very soon, I promise, and I will show you guys, I promise. So stick around for that. And let's just get into the box. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. Obviously it varies between $25 and $35 depending on which boxes you get. You get a certain different amount in the box. Like the 25 box is 5 full-size items, and the $35 box is 6 to 7. So it very depends. It varies, all that. So if you want to sign up for it, I'll leave a link down below for you guys in the description box below. So let's get into this, okay? So we have a card with prices. I love that. So let's get into this bad boy mama jamma. Woo, woo. So the first thing that we have here is the Spanglish from Alamar Cosmetics. Ooh, so it's like sealed on the side. So let me cut that open. Okay. Ooh, okay. So it's a little messy at the bottom in the mirror-ish, but these colors are so pretty. We have Pero Like Eres un Show. I love this. Tienes Swing. Guau. Ay, que cute. Ha ha ha, which is like cha ja ja for all of you. Ha 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 in Spanish is J's instead of H. So ja ja ja. And muy excited and ponte hyper. I think these are really pretty and really cute and very colorful, and these are very my type of palette here. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm just wish that it wasn't so like messy on the mirror and all that right now, but still really pretty. And this retails for $28, which isn't bad at all. I think this is really cute. I think they were very creative of them. I just love it. I think it's so cute. So next thing we have is the Lash Boss Bold from Laura Geller, in the shade Black. I want to see the wand for this. Laura Geller. Oh, it's a very nice, decent, regular sized wand type. Yeah, okay, that's nice. And this retails for $24, which is an average Sephora Laura Geller price. Next in here is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. It has like little cherries on it. I think that's really cute. Let me just open this up. Why is it? Oh, I'm like, why is it making that noise? The top was loose. Ooh, it was like jellyish when it came up. Not a fan of the smell. So we're just gonna close that back up. That's just. But it's really cute. I think it's really nice. Good size. I think this is full size, right? Yeah, it is full. $45 for this little thing. Holy crap. Okay. Next thing we have is from Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. Was Billion Dollar Beauty. This is the vegan charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect. Oh, okay. This is really cute. Oh, the BSB, Billion Dollar Beauty. Billion Dollar Beauty, but you know, beauty sponge. I think this is really cute. It's really squishy and fluffy, which is nice. Cool. Okay. That one retails for $15, so it's $5 less than an average beauty blender. We'll see how it feels and see how big it gets. You know, I'm kind of sad I'm not gonna play with the makeup today because I'm really excited about that palette. The next and last thing that we have in the $25 box this month is from Hank & Henry Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Lust. Let's open this. Hopefully it's the same color as this packaging because it's so pretty. wait, because this is so cute. Wait, this is so cute. Wait, it popped up. Oh my god. Okay, wait. So I'm living for the glittery shimmeriousness of it, but it's like, it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see, it looks like it kind of like smudged off somewhere, but I'm living for this. I want to swatch this so bad. Let me see. So let's see how this look. Oh my god, it's like nothing. It's like it's oh my god, look how pretty that is. I was looking at it like, I might not use it because it doesn't really look like my thing. No, it's so pretty. Okay, so I figured it out. The actual lipstick is moved a little too much to the side, so it rubs on the side of the packaging, which is why it's smudging off like that. But it's really pretty, so nice. Oh my god, I was like, oh, I don't know if I'll use it. It's very shimmery and stuff, but this is to die for. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so that was it. Oh, how much was that? That retails for $18. That's it. This packaging is so cute. It's so innovative. I love the shimmery of it. I love the fact that the actual lipstick was shimmery, but it wasn't shimmery. I love it. I think it's so cute. So for this box specifically, the $25 box, I'm in love with the palette and the lipstick. I think those are my two favorite things. Like the eye cream, I guess, whatever. Mascara, I like mascara. I use mascara. Definitely would use it. Not like, oh my god, I want it so bad, but like, I'll use it, whatever. Not a sponge girl, but I use sponges every now and then, so I'm okay with the beauty sponge. But these two I'm obsessed with. I feel like this would be such a nice fall color too, like, you know, when you have that dark eye with like a nude lip. Yes, living for it. So the overall value for this box, specifically for the $25 box, will be somewhere around here. And let's move on to the next box, which is the $35 box, and it has 6 to 7 items, which is pretty big box for 6 to 7 items, so it might be something big in here. Okay, let's open it. Oh, this is the first time I think I've opened this box, and it's like perfectly like covered, no issues, nothing. Like, I feel like that. Ooh, okay, and the card, wow, it looks really full in here. Okay, wait. So it has prices. So let's go with this one because this one is coming out of its box. This is the Ole Henriksen Fat P-H-A-T Fat Glow Facial. Instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Sap. It's a face mask, okay, and this retails for $50. Wow. Wow, this is big though. I think this is pretty big, and you get a couple of uses out of it. So, I mean, depending on how the face mask works and like the ingredients and stuff like that, I think that's a pretty good price, because, you know, skincare is pretty expensive, but I think it's a pretty good price. And I don't use skincare, but I'm not that mad at it. So next we got, this is calling my name. This is the Queen. A queen lies in all of us. The Eluce. I don't know I don't know. Okay, what? Take it off. Oh, this is it has a mirror. This is my kind of palette, my friends. I can't wait to play with this. So we have Empire, Sheba, Kingdom, My Lady, Curtsy, Throne, Powerful, Jules, Ronnie, something like that. Empress, Majesty, Queen, Your Highness, Elizabeth, Crown, Monarch, Honorable, Amina, Regal, and Sovereign. So all I have to say about this palette, I love it. I love the colors. I love everything. The only thing is that the actual pan sizes are pretty, well, it doesn't look that small on camera, but in person they're a lot smaller. Like, I'm trying to show you, like, you see, like, it's pretty small. I don't know, like, I don't know if the camera doesn't really show it the way it actually is, but it's so pretty, so pretty. And this palette retails for $46. How many shades are in here? So there's 20 shades in here for $46. which isn't that bad of a price, I feel like. So that makes each shadow $2.03 basically. Again, my issue with that is that the pans are pretty small, smaller than I'm used to, but it's a nice palette. I'll give it that. It's the Queen, okay, from Eloise Beauty. I don't know why I'm trying to put it back in here. Okay, what's next? Next we have Ice Roller for You. Overworked, sensitive skin. Huh? Ice Roller? Okay. So, oh, it's like this little... Oh, it's cold. Oh my god. Oh, it's freezing cold. Oh, it's freezing cold. And I love it because it's freezing cold. This feels so amazing. Like, it's cold. Like, it's really cold. Like, but it feels so good. Like, my face feels different. Like, it feels relaxed. I don't know. It's making my face feel so good. Okay, let's move on, guys. Let's move on. So, next thing we have is coming out the box. This is from Stila, and it's the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. I feel like I have one of these, no? And this one's in brown. Is it the color shade? It's called Spice. I feel like I have one of these. Yeah, it's just a brown, really dark brown, really pretty, glided on. It's like, it was nice, beautiful. And that retails for, did I tell you how much this was? This was $18 right here. And the eyeliner from Stila is $22. $22. Wow, that's more than this. Next thing is the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. By Emma Hardy. Okay. Let's take a look at this, shall we? Oh, this is like a little drop. Ooh. I thought I smelled it. That was weird. Okay. This retails for $55. I'm getting a lot of skincare in this box. You know how I feel about skincare. I'm not really into skincare, but I guess. But this is $55, which it's a little, you know, it's a little steep for some skincare, but it's a nice size bottle. Skincare is expensive. What do they say? Next we have, well, not next, it's the last thing. This is the last item. It is from Milk Makeup. This is the highlighter Illuminar in the shade Lit. Let's just open this sucker up. Oh, okay. I just feel like I just took the name off. How do you get in here, man? Okay. Struggled for a while, but I got it out. Yeah. This is a cream illuminator, I'm assuming. I don't like the way it smells. I don't like the way it smells. No, thank you. Nope. No, thank you. I don't like the way it smells. Okay, and that equals, that values at $28. That was everything that came inside this box. I got a lot of skincare in this box. I got some makeup. Didn't like the way the Milk Makeup smelled, so I definitely will not use that. I will not touch that. I don't like the smell of it, so that's not happening for me. I'm sorry. Eyeshadows, I love the palette. It was so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Eyeliner, wish it was black, but I could do brown. I like brown. Brown is good too. But the overall value for this box will be somewhere around here. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought about my boxes this month. How about that? And while you're doing that, leave a little comment. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do next. I am going to do some makeup. Let me tell you about the makeup collection that I have that I was supposed to review, but I didn't get a chance to. So I have the Morphe X Mama Mitchell collection. I have the Jeffree Star Orgy collection. I have the ColourPop Candyland collection, the X Candyland collection, and the ColourPop, don't remember the name. It had like the flowers and stuff. That the garden one. I have that one as well. And then I have other videos that I have lined up for you guys. But I do have some collections that I've had and I've been waiting to play with for you guys, and I just haven't gotten around to it, but I promise I will do it. I promise. So if you want to see those, and if you can't wait to see those, make sure that you subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.